Today we are going to access vulnerable cameras available over the internet in easy way with only one Python script. Before starting the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities at all. Content provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. First we have to download a script named cam-hacker. You can find commands on the scripts page. I will also provide these commands in the description. Copy first command and paste it in your terminal. You need root access to do this. First get root access. After getting root access, paste the command and hit enter. After entering first command, copy the second command and paste it in terminal. Now when it's done, we will download the script. Download it anywhere where you can find it easily. It will take some time, depending on your internet speed. Now after downloading the script, paste fourth command to install requests. It will also take some time. If you guys have requests already installed, it will show you this message. And if you don't have requests installed, then it will download and install them. After the requests are completely installed, list directories. As you can see here it is. Now go to this directory. List directories again. And now we have to run this file. To run this file, type the command appearing on the screen. After typing the command, hit enter. And now the script has started working. And now, as you guys can see, there are more than 90 countries are available. Type the number of country of your choice. I will go with number 1, which is the United States. After entering the number, hit enter. And now it will load some IP addresses. Actually, these IP addresses are the vulnerable cameras that we can access. It will take some time to load them all. After loading all the IP addresses, as you can see, there are a lot of IP addresses. Now we will access some of these IP addresses. To access these IP addresses, just copy and paste them in any browser, or right-click the mouse button on the link and then click on Open Link. As you can see, here it is. Now let's open another one. I will open the last one. You can open any one you like. Now, as you can see here it is. That's it for today. Here is the Good Earning channel. Link to this channel is in description. Make sure to check out this channel.